Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Windows Bluetooth pairing with a device reset step by step clearly. To restore your Windows Bluetooth pairing with a device reset, start by opening the Settings application. You can do this by pressing the Windows key and selecting the gear icon. Once the Settings window opens, click on Devices. In the Devices menu, look for Bluetooth and other devices on the left-hand side. Ensure that Bluetooth is turned on. If it's off, toggle the switch to turn it on. Next, look for the device you want to remove from the list of paired devices. Click on the device you wish to reset. Then, select Remove Device to unpair it. Confirm the action by clicking Yes in the pop-up window. With the device removed, return to the Bluetooth settings. Now, click on Add Bluetooth or other device. Your Windows computer will begin searching for nearby Bluetooth devices. Once your device appears in the list, click on it to initiate pairing. Follow any on-screen prompts that may appear to complete the process. Once connected, check the connection status to ensure it is working properly. You have now successfully restored your Bluetooth pairing with the device reset. If issues persist, consider restarting your computer and repeating the pairing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.